In a shocking incident, a young woman was found hanged to death in a mysterious way. The incident took place at Heirok Patu, Kaitel Salam Lerak, under Heirok Police Station in Thobal district around 9:30 a.m. yesterday. The deceased has been identified as Khuraijam Ongbi Ibemcha, 27, wife of Khuraijam Nongdamba. A public meeting was held at Heirok Patu, Maninglaikai, in connection with the mysterious death of Imamcha in collaboration with YDO Club and JAC was formed. Later, a press conference was also held. Speaking to media persons, convener of the JAC, Tokchom Mangangcha, said Imamcha's hanging herself is quite doubtful. Culprits, whomever involved in the mysterious death of Imamcha, should be booked according to the law of the land within 5 days. Until and unless the demand made by the JAC is fulfilled, the dead body will not be received and many forms will be launched in consultation with the Heirok people. The press meet was attended by leaders of Heirok, Apunba, Meirat, Paibi.
January tang train thuigi chorona yu pung mapan makharum taba matamda Khuraijam Ongbi Imencha Devi, wife of Khuraijam Nongdamba, Heirok Patu Salam Lerak to Laibagi Mayum Sida Narang Hanghodana Laitre Habagi Pau Pibirakwadagi Koi Laikai Amadi Mahaki Mapamgi Imung Manungi Mushing Madi Club Ki Naharon Simam Satuni Yang Matamda Hari Pau Sumame Masidagi Singaninga over Missy Marie Lena JAC against the suspicious death of Khuraijam image haiba JAC semjare haiba JAC sina leibang miyam amadi mari leinaba loina Manipur government da thamjari badi misi asigi matangda sumba langlang lanjin numit mangani gi manungda puthokpiu karigumba numit mangani gi manungda puthokpi bangamdragadi ekoi asiba basa asi koi asumba langlang lanjin puthokti phawba koi oloinam gi damak lawjaroi loina makha taba kari khongjang changsin gadagi haiba si koi leijariba Heirok Club sing amadi JAC ke tana jarakan da Heirok miyam ga loinan warep lawjagani haina leibak miyam